YouTube automation is making people richer day by day, and it's going to be the ultimate business in 2025 as well. No doubt, YouTube automation is by far the easiest way for you to become the richest person in your family. But all of this doesn't happen in a snap. In your YouTube automation journey, you will need tons of patience, lots of passion, the right knowledge, as well as the perfect AI tools at the right time. AI is changing the world day by day. When people hear the name of AI, they usually run away like it's a virus, while even YouTube itself is adapting day by day with AI. If you don't do the same, you can say goodbye to rapid success. While scrolling through different AI tools, I landed on a mind-blowing AI tool that I will reveal later in this video. The AI tool I'm talking about is not only beneficial for content creators, but also for people running businesses, online workers, office workers, coders, and even students. Today, we will use this special AI tool named Ninja Tools to level up content creation in one of the best evergreen niches. Ninja Tools has all of the top-level AI tools arranged in a single place, like GPT-4, GPT-4o, Stable Diffusion Image Generator, Claude 3.5, and tons more. I'll tell you about all of them in a moment, but what makes Ninja Tools so special is that it starts at only $11 per month. Guys, even if you buy just GPT-4, it costs more than $20 a month, and Ninja Tools is offering tons of other pro tools as well. I will also give you a discount code by the end of this video. Take a look at this channel named History of Humankind. They literally have more than 100,000 subscribers with only 12 videos, which is no joke, and of course not just luck. It's all because of the niche this creator is focusing on, named the history of humanity. It's a vast and fascinating niche that spans millions of years, from the emergence of early humans to the present day, and it has a very, very large audience base. Every video on this channel is racking up hundreds of thousands of views, and according to Social Blade, this channel is making an average of $600 to $700 every month. Okay guys, to get started, first you can create a free account on Ninja Tools using your email. After landing on the interface, you'll see a toolbar on the left side which contains every AI tool you need. By clicking on these three dots, you can shrink the toolbar. The first section is Playground. In this section, you'll find 3 different subsections. If you click on the drop-down, you can choose any AI model, and then you just input your message. All 3 models will provide you with results on the same topic. This is the best way to figure out which model is more accurate, professional, and suitable for your tasks. Next, in the AI art section, you can create images for your videos, your online business, or even just for fun. Then comes the music section, where you can easily generate music using AI. Besides these, there are tons of other popular AI models that you can easily explore on your own. So, our first step will be to find the best video ideas for our videos. For this, I found the Llama 3.1 70B versatile model to be the best among all others. It's literally top level. We'll simply write down that we want some really interesting, evergreen, and hot video ideas in the form of titles, in the history of humankind niche. In return, Llama will give you the best video topics arranged in different categories. That's why I found Llama to be the best AI model. Once we have the video topics ready, we'll ask Llama to provide us with a short story script in a single paragraph for one of the video topics. You can also create a long script if needed. All the prompts we'll use today will be available in the description, and you're free to use them however you like. These prompts are already tested, so good results are guaranteed. Once we provide Llama with the prompt, it will give us the best and most well-written script, which is even better than one written by GPT-4. Okay, so we have the script ready. Now, it's time to get our image prompts. For this, we'll give Llama another command to generate our image prompts. In return, Llama will provide us with all the image prompts. The best part is, as I mentioned before, you can use these tools for your other business, office, and study-related tasks. Now, we'll simply copy the first image prompt, go to the AI art section, and paste the prompt there. To ensure better results, you must write special settings at the end of the prompt, like hyper-realistic, highly detailed 4K and oil painting style. Since we're making shorts, we'll select the portrait format for our image. Then, just click on Generate. It's as simple as that. The results from Ninja Tools Image Generator are quite impressive. You'll see it for yourself. In the same way, you'll create all your images. After that, we'll simply copy our script and paste it into 11 Labs to generate our voiceover. From the voice library, we'll pick a good story-type voiceover character for our narration. Then, we'll generate the voiceover. There's no rocket science involved in creating a voiceover, so you can easily do it. Now, we'll simply import all of our materials into CapCut. First, place the voiceover on the timeline and ensure you remove all the awkward silent areas to make the voiceover sound realistic and engaging. This step is crucial for maintaining audience retention. Next, place all of your images on the timeline. Listen to the voiceover and adjust each image to match the narration. This step can feel challenging initially, but with practice, it becomes easier. I'm speaking from experience. I wouldn't recommend adding animations to your clips because I have something better for you. To apply this special setting, go to Effects and then to Motion Effects. These effects are specially designed for images, bringing depth and motion to them, similar to those paid image to 3D tools. Simply drag and drop a specific effect onto the image, not on the timeline, but directly on the image. Repeat this for each image clip. When you play the video, your images will have a cool, dynamic effect. After this, add some smooth transitions between clips to enhance the overall quality and make the video more professional and enjoyable. Then, go to Effects, search for the Clear 2 filter, drag and drop it onto the timeline, and stretch it across the entire timeline. This will enhance the image quality, giving them a 4K touch, but without captions, the video will feel incomplete. Generate captions in just one click using CapCut's auto caption feature. Once the captions are ready, choose from tons of pre-made caption templates. For short videos, I prefer short and fast captions. You can pick a style that suits your preference and place the captions in the middle of the screen to make them visually appealing. At this point, your video will already look professional. However, many beginners make the mistake of exporting the video without adding sound effects. Sound effects play a significant role in making a video go viral, and I'm not exaggerating. CapCut offers tons of copyright-free sound effects you can use. Just be careful not to overuse them. Balance the quantity of sound effects based on the video length and lower their volume so they don't distract from the voiceover. Finally, add relevant background music, which you can easily download for YouTube. Reduce the music volume to ensure it complements the video rather than overpowering it. Once done, your video is ready. Export it and enjoy watching your professional creation.
It was November 4th, 1922, and I was Howard Carter, the archaeologist who had spent years searching for the tomb of Tutankhamun. As I made a small breach in the door, I saw the glint of gold, and my heart skipped a beat. I had finally found it. But little did I know, my discovery would unleash a chain of events that would change my life forever. Lord Carnarvon, the British aristocrat who had funded the excavation, was the first to enter the tomb. He died just 6 weeks later from a mosquito bite that became infected. I was shocked and couldn't understand why this had happened. As more people who had entered the tomb began to fall ill or die under mysterious circumstances, I realized that the ancient Egyptians might have been right. The pharaohs were indeed cursed. I had to get to the bottom of this mystery, but was I prepared to face the consequences of disturbing the rest of the king?
That was really amazing, wasn't it? Now, in the final step, we'll upload our video to the channel with proper SEO. First, go back to Ninja Tools. Copy and paste your video topic into the video title section. Then, head back to Ninja Tools and open the prompt library. Here, you'll find different models for various tasks, such as video script writing, video hook writing, correcting grammar mistakes, and even writing video descriptions. For the video description, go to the Video Description Writer tool. Simply paste your video title, and it will generate a fully SEO-optimized description. This will be more than enough to inform the algorithm about your video's category and target audience. For hashtags, include 3 to 4 relevant ones, such as sharing shorts, archer history, and 2 other hashtags related to your video topic. Regarding tags, I personally never use them in my shorts and haven't noticed any difference in views, so you can skip them. Set your video category to education. Finally, for the best upload timing, target a period when most of your audience in Western countries is active, since our content is in English and the Western audience is our main target. Okay guys, here is the coupon code. Friend20, use this code while buying your subscription and you will get 20% discount. Code will be available in the description also. If you're interested in making videos in the Movie Explain niche, be sure to check out the video popping up on the screen to learn the right and best way to do it.